Shalom and welcome back to CASIM Ministry. As school is starting up, we have our supplies ready, which can be seen in one of our last videos, and we have repainted the school. CASIM takes education very seriously, and we would like to provide an environment where students want to come and learn. From the building to the activities to our teachers. The only way we can do this is with our Heavenly Father, His Son Christ, and those who come alongside us. In this video, a few gentlemen worked hard painting the stairs, roof, and walls of the school. Now we are ready to welcome the children and start learning. For more content, like and subscribe to CASIM Ministry, and if you would like to donate, all links are in the description. May the Most High bless you, and stay tuned for more content.